Practice set 2.4. Second question. Rationalize the denominator. We already simplified this type of examples into the previous practice set, that is practice set 2.3. But there in the denominator we have a quadratic surd which is monomial. Only single term is there in the previous practice set, and here we have binomial quadratic surd. So what is rationalization? That is the important question. If the denominator of any number is irrational and we convert it into rational number, here the denominator is irrational, here the denominator is irrational, here also denominator is irrational, here also denominator is irrational, and if we convert it into the rational number, then it is called as rationalization of the denominator. So here we will simplify the first example. Here in the first example we have given a number that is 1 upon root 7 plus root 2, and we have to rationalize the denominator. Now how to rationalize the denominator? Here we have to write the given number as it is, that is 1 upon root 7 plus root 2, and we have to multiply the numerator and denominator of the given number. We have to multiply the numerator and the denominator of the given number by the conjugate pair of the denominator. By the conjugate pair of the denominator. How to write the conjugate pair? Just we have to change the sign between these two numbers, that is we have root 7 plus root 2. So we have to multiply the numerator and denominator both by root 7 minus root 2. This is root 7 minus root 2 divided by here root 7 minus root 2. We multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number, that is the conjugate pair of the denominator. That is very important. Now only we have to make the simplifications. Only we have to make the simplifications. This is 1 multiplied by root 7 minus root 2. We know that if we multiply any number by 1, the multiplication is the same number. No change is there. So we will get in the numerator, that is root 7 minus root 2 divided by, into the denominator here we have a plus b multiplied by a minus b, and when the two terms are in the form a plus b and a minus b, we take their product as a square minus b square, that is the square of the first term minus square of the second term. Square of the first term minus square of the second term. So here we have both the numbers in the same form, that is a plus b multiplied by a minus b. In place of a we have root 7, in place of b we have root 2. So how to take the product of this bracket? Square of the first term, that is square of root 7 minus square of the root 2. Now we can simplify this. Root 7 minus root 2 as it is. We cannot subtract these two numbers. या दोघांचं आपण सबट्रॅक्शन करू शकत नाही. त्याचं रिझन असं आहे, दोघांच्या ऑर्डर जरी सेम असल्या तरी मध्ये असणारे जे रॅडिकंट्स आहेत ते डिफरंट आहेत. सो त्यांचं सबट्रॅक्शन केलं जाऊ शकत नाही. ॲडिशन किंवा सबट्रॅक्शन करण्यासाठी त्या सर्ट्स लाईक सर्ट्स असणं आवश्यक असतं. अँड हिअर दीज टू सर्ट्स आर नॉट दी like surd, so we cannot subtract them. Now square of root 7, that is 7, minus square of root 2, that is 2. Now 7 minus 2 is 5. So we have root 7 minus root 2 upon 5, that is 1 upon root 7 plus root 2, 1 upon root 7 plus root 2 is equals to root 7 minus root 2 upon 5. Here the denominator is irrational and we convert it into the rational number, that is 5. So this is all about the first example. This is all about the first example. Now we will simplify the second example. Into the second example, we have given the number, second example, the number which we have given, that number is 3 upon 2 root 5, 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2. It is equals to, we have to rationalize the denominator. Here the denominator is irrational and we have to convert it into the rational number. And how to convert that into rational number? We have to just multiply the numerator and the denominator of the given number by the conjugate pair of the denominator. So here we will write this number as it is, that is 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2. Now multiply the numerator and denominator both by the conjugate pair of the denominator. What is the conjugate pair of the denominator? The denominator is 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2. Just we have to change this sign. In place of minus we have to write plus, and then we will get the conjugate pair. So multiply the numerator by 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2, and also the denominator is multiplied by the same number, 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. Now we have to make the simplifications only. आता फक्त त्याला आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, सिम्प्लिफाय करत राहायचं आहे. Here 3 multiplied by 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2, we will write it into the form of multiplication only. This is 3 multiplied by 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 upon. Now here a plus b multiplied by a minus b. First term is same, that is 2 root 5, 2 root 5. Second term is also same, 3 root 2, 3 root 2. And signs are different, plus and minus. So how to take the multiplication? That is a square minus b square. Square of the first term minus square of the second term. So here first term is 2 root 5 square of it minus second term is 3 root 2 square of it. Now we have to make the simplifications. You can multiply this 2 root 5 by 3, so you will get 3 into 2 is 6 root 5 as it is. That is 6 root 5 plus 3 into 3 9 root 2 as it is. But here it is not necessary to multiply. आता आपण मल्टिप्लाय करणार आहोत आणि पुन्हा फायनल स्टेपमध्ये काय करणार आहोत आपण, दोघांमधून 3 कॉमन निघतात म्हणून पुन्हा 3 कॉमन काढणारच आहे. त्यापेक्षा मल्टिप्लायच करू नका. आत्ता मल्टिप्लाय करायचं, पुन्हा ते कॉमन काढून घ्यायचे. नाही कॉमन काढले तरी चालतात. ॲज इट इज जर तुम्ही लिहिलं 6 रूट 5, दिस इज 3 into 2 6 रूट 5 प्लस 9 रूट 2 ॲज इट इज जरी ठेवलं तरी चालतं. सो हिअर वील put it as it is, or you can multiply. This is 3 into the bracket 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 as it is, divided by here square of 2, that is 4. Now the sign of multiplication is between them. 2 आणि root 5 यांच्यामध्ये मल्टिप्लिकेशनचं साइन असतं. 2 चा स्क्वेअर 4 आणि root 5 चा स्क्वेअर 5 मायनस 3 चा स्क्वेअर 9 मल्टिप्लाइड बाय, ह्या दोघांच्यामध्ये मल्टिप्लिकेशनचं साइन आहे. रूट 2 चा स्क्वेअर 2. नाव सिम्प्लिफाय दिस अगेन. दिस इज 3 into bracket 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 as it is, divided by this is 4 5 are 20 minus 9 2 are 18, that is 20 minus 18 is 2. So here we can write 3 into the bracket 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 divided by 2. So here we have given the number is 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2, and this is the denominator. In this number the denominator is irrational and we convert it into the rational number. So this is the rationalization of the denominator. So this is all about the second example. Now we will simplify the third example. Everywhere we have to use the same technique, that is we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugate pair of the denominator, and while taking the simplifications we have to take care. फक्त simplifications करत असताना थोडीशी काळजी घेणं आवश्यक. the given number is 4 upon 7 plus 4 root 3, that is the given number, and we have to rationalize the denominator. So first we will write this number as it is, that is 4 upon 7 plus 4 root 3. Now we have to multiply the numerator and denominator both by the conjugate pair of the denominator. What is the conjugate pair of the denominator? Here we have 7 plus 4 root 3. So conjugate pair of 7 plus 4 root 3 is 7 minus 4 root 3. So we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by the same conjugate pair, that is 7 minus 4 root 3. Now we will simplify this. Is 4 multiplied by multiplications of the numerator. 4 multiplied by 7 minus 4 root 3 divided by is a plus b into a minus b. We can take the product as a square minus b square. So here we have the first term 7 square of it minus square of the first term minus square of the second term, that is square of 4 root 3. Now simplify this. You can multiply this both the two terms or both the terms by 4, that is 4 into 7 28 minus 4 into 4 16 into root 3 as it is. So here you will get 28 minus 16 root 3. But it is not necessary to take multiplications. आत्ता मल्टिप्लिकेशन्स केले तर पुन्हा फायनल स्टेपमध्ये 4 आपण कॉमन काढणार आहे. त्यापेक्षा मल्टिप्लाय करू नका. 4 into the bracket 7 minus 4 root 3 as it is divided by square of 7, that is 49, minus here first we have to take the square of 4, that is 16, multiplied by square of root 3, that is 3. Now simplify this again. This is 4 into the bracket 7 minus 4 root 3 as it is divided by 49 minus 48. 16 3s are 48. So here we have 4 into the bracket 7 minus 4 root 3 upon 1. That is not necessary to write 1 there. Nothing is there means 1 is there. So here we have given the number, that is 4 upon 7 plus 4 root 3. Here the denominator is irrational and we convert it into the rational number. So this is the rationalization of the denominator in the third example. Now we have to simplify the example number 4. So here we will write the example. This example number 4. The given number is root 5 minus root 3 upon root 5 plus root 3. That is the given number. Now here we have to make the rationalization. So we will write this number as it is, that is root 5 minus root 3 upon root 5 plus root 3. Now we have to multiply the numerator and the denominator both by the conjugate pair of the denominator. Here the denominator is root 5 plus root 3. So what is the conjugate pair of the denominator? That is root 5 minus root 3. So multiply the numerator by root 5 minus root 3 and also multiply the denominator by root 5 minus root 3. So here we multiply the numerator by root 5 minus root 3 and the denominator also by root 5 minus root 3. Now here we have to make simplifications, and the simplifications are very important. Here in the numerator, root 5 minus root 3 multiplied by root 5 minus root 3. Same number is there in the numerator. Here we have root 5 minus root 3. Here also we have root 5 minus root 3. And when we multiply a number by itself, then we will get the square of that number. So you can write it as root 5 minus root 3 whole square. Same number multiplied by same number, so square of that number, that is root 5 minus root 3 square, into the denominator a plus b multiplied by a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So square of the first term minus square of the second term. This is the simplification of denominator. Now into the numerator we have to use the square expansion. A minus b bracket square असा असेल तर आपण त्याला a square minus 2ab plus b square असा लिहितो. We have to use the square expansion of the difference of the two terms. That is, if we have a minus b bracket square, then we have to write it as a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we have to use this identity here, square of the first term minus 2 multiplied by product of both the terms, that is root 5 into root 3 plus square of the second term, that is root 3 square, divided by is square of the first term, that is 5 minus square of the second term is 3, that is 5 minus 3 into the denominator. We have 5 minus 3 into the denominator. Now simplify the numerator, that is square of root 5 is 5 minus 2 multiplied by root 5 into root 3 is root 15 plus square of root 3, that is 3, divided by 5 minus 3 is 2. Now we cannot cancel these 2 since here 2 is there in difference. So we are unable to cancel these 2, and if we cancel these 2, that is the wrong answer, incorrect answer. We cannot cancel 2 there. Now here is 5 plus 3. Both the numbers are rational numbers, so you can calculate them. Positive 5, positive 3, that is positive 8 minus 2 root 15 divided by 2. Now we have 2 terms in the numerator, and from both the terms you can take 2 as common. 2 ने 8 ला पण भाग जातो आणि 2 ने 2 ला पण भाग जातो. सो वी कॅन टेक 2 ॲज कॉमन. आपण जर 2 कॉमन घेतले तर रिमेनिंग काय काय आहे. कॉमन काढणे म्हणजे भाग देणे. काही भाग कॉमन काढणे म्हणजे त्यानं भाग देणे. मग आपल्याकडे 8 आहेत, आपण 2 कॉमन काढलेत, मग 2 ने 8 ला डिवाइड करा, 4 इज रिमेनिंग देअर. मायनस आता इथे 2 रूट 15 आहेत, आपण 2 कॉमन काढलेत, मग त्याला 2 ने डिवाइड केले तर 2 कॅन्सल होतात, फक्त रूट 15 शिल्लक राहतात, divided by 2. And now you can cancel these 2 since here 2 is in multiplication, so you can cancel these 2. Here 2 is in the subtraction form, so we cannot cancel here you can cancel it. So the what is remaining there, that is 4 minus root 15. Here we have given the number, that is root 5 minus root 3 upon root 5 plus root 3, and we rationalize the denominator and we get, that is 4 minus root 15. Nothing is there in the denominator means we have 1 there also, but it is not necessary to write. So here we have given the irrational denominator and we convert it into the rational denominator. So that is what the rationalization. So here we complete the practice set 2.4. Now we will study the concepts before practice set 2.5 into the next video lecture.